Hello, dear aspirants. This is Dr. Saurabh sir's class. We are Dr. Saurabh sir's classes who will help you for the doubt clearing for mathematics like TIFR GS and ISI, NBHM and all. So you can feel free to call on this number, which is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating it, 98367930076. Please feel free to contact on this number so you can get all the things for our institution, which is Dr. Saurabh's classes. Okay, so now we are solving TIFR GS 2025 questions. So this question is about eigenvalue, and the question is this. So yeah, so the question telling us that let A be 1 to 1, 2 1 to 1 to 1. Consider the following statements that option as A has a positive eigenvalue and option 2 is telling us that A has a negative eigenvalue. So now our which of the following statements is correct? Option A is telling us that 1, 2 both are true. Option B is telling us that 1 and 2 are false. And option C is telling us that 1 is true and 2 is false. And option D is telling us that 2 is true and 1 is false. So we know that our determinant of A minus lambda I is the characteristic equation of any matrix when our lambda is an eigenvalue of it and A is the given matrix. So we can use this to find the characteristic equation of A, and we all know that the roots of the characteristic equation are the eigenvalues or the characteristic values of this matrix. Okay. So this is what determinant of 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 minus lambda 0 0 0 lambda 0 0 0 lambda, yeah, that is equals to 0. So what will happen now? So this is 1 minus lambda 2 1 2 1 minus lambda 2, and again 1 2 1 minus lambda equals to 0. So now we have to calculate the determinant. How we can do that? We can take this for our 1 minus lambda. We will get the minor, that will be 1 minus lambda 2 2 1 minus lambda, plus sorry, that will be for minus, and the second item is my 2, and so the minor of corresponding to 2 will be 2 2 1 and 1 minus lambda. Now for plus 1, what will be my thing? That will be 2 1 1 minus lambda and 2, that will be 0. Then after that we have to calculate the things, as we can now have, yeah, that is, and it will be 1 minus lambda whole square minus 4 minus 2 into 2 minus 2 lambda minus 2 plus 1 4 minus 1 minus lambda equals to 0. And then after some simplification we will get this thing, 1 minus lambda into lambda minus 3 into lambda plus 1 minus 2 into minus 2 lambda, and plus it will be 3 plus lambda equals to 0. Okay, so after that we will get this thing, and this product will be 1 minus lambda into, in the product of that will be lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 3 minus, so that will be plus 4 lambda and plus 3 plus lambda, that will be equals to 0. Okay, so the product of this will be what? That will be minus lambda cube plus 3 lambda square plus lambda minus 3. Okay, so the final form of the equation will be minus lambda cube into, sorry, plus 3 lambda square plus 6 lambda equals to 0. Yeah, so we can have this thing minus lambda into lambda square minus 3 lambda square minus 6 into 0 equals to 0. Yeah, so now we can say that they are 0 will be one eigenvalue of the matrix. Okay, so another two eigenvalues will come from this. So the roots of this will be what? Lambda equals to, we can use the Siddharacharya formula, which is this minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So my b is what here? My b is minus 3 here. So minus 3 will be 3 and b square will be 9 and ac will be what? A will be 1 and c will be minus 6. And my a is 1. Yeah. So what we will get? 3 plus minus root over 24 by 2. Sorry, 24 plus 9 by 2. So that will be 3 plus minus root over 33 by 2. Yeah. So we can see that 1 is my positive root, 1 is my negative root, as our root over 33 is greater than 3. So we have 1 0 root and 1 greater than 1 positive root and 1 negative root. So the correct option of this will be A, as our 1 and 2 both are true, as A has a positive eigenvalue and A has also a negative eigenvalue. Okay, hope you understood, guys. Thank you. And again, I am telling that please feel free to call on this number so you can get every 24/7 assistance for any of your mathematical doubts or anything. Okay, hope you understood, guys. Thank you.